What's up, everybody? Got my nephew Alex over here.
What's up?
Future, NBA star, basketball Hall of Famer?
Oh, yeah.
He thinks so.
I think so.
We're chilling out here in the water with the family. Everybody else is out there. Well, they're on the other side of the boat. And we're making a quick video. He don't know yet, but I'm going to ask him a question.
All
All right. If you had $1 million right now, what would you do with it?
I wouldn't do anything with it. My parents would take it. And yeah, they do all the stuff with it.
They would do all the stuff with him?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
They would.
What is the what's the best way to make money?
Hey, look.
Get a job.
Get a job?
Yep.
Who told you that?
Pretty much every adult I've ever asked how to get money.
Now, very, very interesting that he said that is that he's right. Right? We're taught, whether that's in school or in college, to get a good degree, go out, get a good job. And you know what's funny is maybe 50 years ago that was like the standard and it worked. But now you got like successful billionaires never even went to college. Now, we're not saying that going out and getting a job is a bad thing, right? You got to do what you got to do to support your family, support yourself. But if you want to be successful, you know, beyond just a 9-to-5, you got to do stuff that's beyond a 9-to-5, right?
Yeah.
And a new way to make money, people now, you see a lot of people, they have their own YouTube accounts, right? They're making these silly videos about nothing, right? And they're getting all these subscribers. And then YouTube or Google is paying them a ton of money to run ads on their videos. They ain't got a job. They ain't going to college. People building websites and blogs, all this stuff. And they're being successful. And it's not a part of your generation right there, man. You guys are like taking over the whole internet scene when it comes to building an online business. And I'm just saying right now, making this quick video to show you, one, that we're having a great time out here at Rollins Lake. Hashtag Rollins Lake. That's my niece back there. And we're talking about being successful. If he goes to the NBA, you know, some people go straight from high school to the NBA.
Yeah.
Right?
Still need about a year, though.
You think about a year?
Yeah. Year in college.
Year in college?
Year in college.
Maybe to figure out maybe what you want to do after?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, he's been fortunate enough to have an uncle that went to the NFL, so it's a family of athletes. But I just want to say, make this video to everybody that's in YouTube land, that's a subscriber of Affiliate Marketing University, that open your mind, expand yourself to the possibility of making money, not just having a job, but being able to provide a service where you can have an audience of people that eventually get to know you, like you, and trust you. You can recommend products, and then you can make a living by adding value to other people's lives.
All you gotta do is go on YouTube, find something, do a lot of gaming, something that people like.
There you go.
There you go.
There you go.
Get entertainment, you get views, get, like Google, get all these places to run some ads, get sponsored by someone like G Fuel, Red Bull.
Dropping knowledge. Get it, bro.
Just get those sponsors, and you'll be making some cash, making money.
That's an excellent business model. So what he's talking about is building a YouTube channel around a certain brand, where there's a certain game or gaming, and get enough following, right, big enough audience where that people will come and sponsor you, right, to run ads on your site or run ads on your YouTube channel and your YouTube videos. These are ways of making money, not just getting a job, making money. This is the generation right here. These dudes are going to be the ones that change the world because they're taking their mind to another level, and we encourage you to do the same thing. If this is your first time to our video, subscribe. What else should they do?
Okay. And if you're trying to start a YouTube channel, always got to have a cool intro and then a somewhat cool ending.
A somewhat cool ending.
Somewhat cool ending,
like this.